Here's my next wrap. It is my car. I'm doing something quite different. It's one of those colors back there, or maybe a lot of them. I'm doing something very fun today because I haven't figured out what color I like on my car, and I'm taking a bunch of vinyl. So now that you see it, you see my dilemma. I've done a lot of wraps. I have a bunch on the refrigerator here. I've also done a lot of wraps where I don't know what color I want. There's a lot of new colors out there. There's a lot of cool things, but this is my car and I kind of want to just have some fun. I'm having a special guest come over later in the video to help me. She's been on this channel before, but she's gonna help me out with this, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with a bunch of different vinyls and just kind of make it up as we go. So I've been driving this crazy looking car around for probably 2 weeks now, getting tons of weird looks. You know, I'm kind of used to getting weird looks in the car. But it is definitely a rolling sample piece. I had some people that wanted our car wrapped, and I had them come out and look at this thing and say, well, not this side really, but look at the other side to see that deep space color, which I have actually 3 of those wraps coming up. One of them on a Cybertruck. I do want to go to a solid color, so I do need your help. What color do you like out of these? Should I do one of these colors, or should I do a printed wrap, maybe something with a design, maybe a custom wrap, or something funky? I'm kind of curious to see what you guys think. What colors do you like? Do you like this wild side, or do you like the other side better? Or colors, I should say. Not, I mean, no one would really do this to their car, except for me, I guess. But I do have an idea for this car, what I'm gonna do, and I wonder if anybody can guess what I'm thinking. Leave that down below too. Enjoy the rest of the video. You might learn a thing or two by watching me do this. Or you can figure out what mean comment you want to put down there. So this may be a fail on my part. Would you do this to your car? Would you drive around like this? Now, I usually just use 3M and Avery Dennison films because I like the product. They've been doing it for so long, and it is a great product. And 3M has some really nice colors out now. More like a glass finish, and you don't get that orange peel. So I may do one of those. But for right now, you know, it's kind of a crazy car, crazy looking car, but not yet. You've seen it. I haven't seen it yet. I'm going to finish cleaning this because look at this crap. This all over the windshield. I have a bunch of pine trees outside my house, so I get a bunch of stuff just lying all over this. I've already wiped this down with alcohol, and it got most of it off. I didn't wash the car because this is going to be temporary, really. I'm going to have this, these colors, you know, a few months, and then I'm going to take it off and pick the right color that I want to. So I've just wiped this down with alcohol. I didn't wash the car. I'm not going to go detailed into here. I'm not taking anything out. I'm not taking the taillights out. I'm not taking the bumper off or anything like that. All I did was take the badges off, my license plate, and I did take the cameras out because these are a pain in the butt to wrap around. So I've decided not to do that. Those come off really easy, especially the version 4 cameras come off super easy. But I'm leaving all the trim on, everything on, and we're just going to get to this, wrap it really cool. It's going to be fun. I'm going to have fun. Special guest is my daughter. So it's fun having fun wrapping my car with my daughter. One side down, this is matte black. I'm gonna do this in this really cool red. This is a red that fades to black, so it's gonna a transition as we go back, a little different darker colors on this side. So there is a theme to this. Decide between good and, I guess good and evil, or light and dark. But this is the color I have on my Model X, and I never showed it on camera, but I guess now we will. It's kind of going to be funny because it goes from a matte black to the satin black red, and I have a gloss red for this side, I think. It's a brand new color from Avery Dennison, and it is Satin Solar Dawn or something like that. Well, the glue is really sticky, I remember, because it's cold right now, and when it's cold, it doesn't like to stick too well. But this is like the matte black didn't want to stick really well. I'd use a lot of heat, but this is going really good. And this is a good exercise in not removing anything too on the car. So I'm taking this time to hone my skills a little bit too. And I gotta remember, so this is cold, it's not gonna wanna release the air as easy as when it's warm. So is gonna get some funky looks. So before I should really do this, look at this, how it's gonna be different. And that's gonna be gloss, and that's gonna be a darker color, maybe a gray or something. And then the bumper is gonna be totally different color. My inspiration was from this picture of a Mexican VW, or his car in Mexico, that they took, I think they made like 800 of them, but they took 4 colors, 4 cars, and mixed up all the panels. So every car was different. Just like every panel is gonna be different on this one, so I can do whatever I want to. And I think it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun to drive around like this and get a ton of looks. I'm used to getting a ton of looks with my Teslas because they're always been bright colors. Except for my Model X is kind of subdued now, and that's why I haven't really showed it too much. But this one's gonna be kind of cool because dark, semi-light, and bright colors. It's gonna look like the 90s over here. Oh, those are awesome for this.
What do you mean? You always show my feet in videos.
No, but that's awesome because they're all different colors, and this is okay. So my daughter's here, and I was trying to be like a YouTuber and act like she was surprised, but she knew about this whole thing. That's probably why she wore those shoes. I've already done this side over here, as you saw a little bit of it. This is the dark side, and it goes to like a bluish purple. So this is weird, but well, the whole car is gonna be weird. But now we're trying to figure out, I'm calling this the 90s side. This reminds me of the 90s TV shows and everything. So, and we don't know the hood yet, or the trunk, or the top rails. I just have these over here, but I do have a blue bumper. It's a matte blue. It's a matte metallic. Yeah. So that can be on the back, I think. That would go with, or does that not look good? I mean, it's only gonna be touching right here. There's so many questions with this. How do you make it look good?
It's not going to.
So, I think this is what we're gonna do. Up top.
I got the wrong arms.
Put your arms. You have the right arms. You were born with the right arms.
I need more. Okay.
Alright, stick it up top there. Alright. Alright, so the battery died while we were doing this, and I lost my helper. She went in to go eat something. But I got this one done. This is nice and white. This is that satin pearl white finish. Almost looks like the stock, but satin. Now I'm going to work on these panels here, get this done, and you know, since this is my car, I could put the camera back on, and since I didn't take anything apart, I can drive this until I come finish the rest of it. So I might do the back bumper tonight because it's blue, and then maybe where the light, well, I have to do the license plate area too, so I can put my license plate on. So that'll be another day. So this is really just a 2-day job because I'm half-assing it really. So there's dust in this. I barely wiped the car down. And it's nice I got another extra helper to hold the panels as I put it on there. That way I don't have to fight with it. Try to spend that extra 2 minutes each panel just kind of stretching everything out. I guess it's just me for this one though. It's ridiculous too. But I did lose my helper. I think she went in for a nap. But I got this whole side done, the hood, and this whole side done. So now I just have the top rails, the back side, and the front side. I think that's been 4 hours. So it's been 4 hours of work, and I think I'm done for today. I'll finish it up tomorrow. It's crazy looking.